Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will tell a story about Ant and Grasshopper. In the middle of the forest, there lived a very diligent ant. Every day, these are small, always try to collect food and store it in the barn. One day, when the ant was trying to bring his food to be stored in the barn, the ant met a grasshopper who was enjoying sunbathing while lazing. "Hi, ant! What are you doing?" asked the grasshopper. "I am gathering food to store in the barn," said the ant. The grasshopper laughs. "Why to bother to collect food? How many foods can we eat in the forest?" said the grasshoppers. "It's true, but I keep my food in preparation for the winter," said the ant, trying to push the food he found into the barn. Grasshopper laughed again. "The winter is still long. Why bother now? After all, there is still plenty of time for that. We better have fun first," said the grasshopper while eating the green leaves. The ant didn't care about the grasshopper who was lazing around. He was still busy collecting food for the food he could find. When the winter came, the grasshopper found there was no food left to eat. It was so hungry. The grasshopper remembered when it saw the ants collecting the foods in summer for the stock in winter. Then the grasshopper knew he was so wrong, didn't follow the ant in collecting the foods. So, the lesson that we can take from this story is work today and you can get benefits tomorrow. Okay, I think enough for today. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
언젠간